Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about meaning, importance, scope and factors influencing consumer behavior. So what is consumer behavior? Consumer behavior basically study about how consumer behave when he decide to buy any product. Consumer behavior basically study about how consumer behave when he decide to buy any product, or we can say that consumer behavior study how individual, group or organization select, buy, use and dispose goods and services to satisfy their needs. As we know, consumer can any single individual, group or any organization. And in consumer behavior, we study about all activities of a single individual, group and organization related to their purchase of product, so that we can know about their needs and make strategies to fulfill their needs. Obviously, when we satisfy our consumer needs, our sales and profit will increase. Now we are going to talk about importance of consumer behavior. Increase sales. Obviously, when we understand consumer behavior, our sales will increase. Setting prices. Setting prices of product is very difficult task. But when we understand consumer behavior, we can know about their price limit and accordingly we can set our product price. Help in promotion. Consumer behavior is very helpful in promotion. For example, nowadays so many people follow Bollywood celebrities fashion. That's why businesses are promoting their product through celebrities. Next, help in competitive analysis. Consumer behavior is very helpful to understand why our consumer is going to our competitor, why they are buying our competitor products. Last is adjusting marketing programs over time. When we understand consumer behavior, we can easily know current market trends and according to this we can change our marketing programs. Now we are going to talk about scope of consumer behavior. Demand forecasting. When we understand consumer behavior, we can know about their unfulfilled demand and make strategies to fulfill their demand. So by this way we can easily forecast our future demand, or we can say that by this way we can easily know how many consumer will buy our product in future. Next is marketing management. Study of consumer behavior give us better knowledge about consumer, and better knowledge about consumer will ultimately help us to manage our marketing strategies in effective way. Next scope is selecting the target market. So what is target market? Target market is group of customer whom business decided to sell their product. Target market is group of customer whom business decided to sell their product. For example, business keep target to make product for health conscious people. That's why he is making product like green tea, sugar free cookies, etc. And study of consumer behavior helps to select our target market. Next is marketing mix. Marketing mix include four elements like product, price, place and promotion. And study of consumer behavior help to improve our product, setting price of product, deciding about place, or we can say deciding about location of product, and it also help in promotion of product. Next scope is educating customers. When we know about consumer behavior, then we can easily guide and educate them. Next is assist in designing product portfolio. Product portfolio is collection of product which is sold by company. And when we study about consumer behavior, we can easily know about their requirements, and according to their requirements, we can design our product portfolio. Now we are going to talk about factors which are influencing consumer behavior. First is psychological factors, second is social factors, third is cultural factors, next is personal factors, last is economic factors. One by one we will discuss about each. So firstly we are going to talk about psychological factors. Psychological factors basically tell us how consumers' thoughts, beliefs, feeling and perception influence their buying decision. Psychological factors basically tell us how consumer feeling, thoughts, beliefs and perception influence their buying decisions. And psychological factors are basically divided into four parts: motivation, perception, learning and attitude. Motivation means our need motivate us to buy something. Motivation means our need motivate us to buy something. For example, because of our basic need, we buy food, and because of our safety need, we buy health insurance. Next is perception. Perception is our opinions, or we can say that our image about company product. If we have positive image about company product, then we definitely buy this, otherwise not. Next is learning. Learning means knowledge which you gain through your experience. Learning means knowledge which you gain through your experience. For example, you brought a particular brand shirt and its color was fade in first wash. So your learning is that next time you will not buy this brand shirt. Last is attitude. Attitude is feeling of like or dislike. For example, you dislike chocolate because you think that chocolate can damage your teeth. That's why you have negative attitude about chocolate and you will not buy it. Next factor which influence consumer behavior is social factors. Social factors basically tell us how members of society influence our buying decision. Social factors basically tell us how members of society influence our buying decision. And social factors basically divided into three parts: family, reference group, and roles and status. As we know, our buying decision is influenced by our family members, what they like, what they wear, what they buy. Next is reference group. Reference group means whom we compare ourselves. Reference group means whom we compare ourselves. For example, our friends, peers and colleagues. Many of time our buying decision is influenced by our reference group. Last is roles and status. Our shopping also influenced by our roles and status. For example, shopping of CEO of company will different from normal employee because both have different role and status. Next factor which influence consumer behavior is cultural factor. Cultural factor include our culture, subculture and social class. Culture means our value, customs, norms and belief, and many of time our buying decision influenced by our culture. For example, some culture prohibit use of alcohol. Next is subculture. Subculture is group of people within culture. Subculture is group of people within culture. It's include people from different religions and caste. And our buying decision also influenced by our subculture. Last is social class. Every society has some social class based on their income, wealth, education and occupation. And our social class also influence our buying decision. Now we are going to talk about personal factors which influence consumer behavior. And personal factors basically include age, income, occupation and lifestyle. As we know, our buying decision is influenced by age. For example, buying decision of youth is different from elderly people. Next is income. Our income also influence our buying decision. For example, higher income group will buy more expensive product like expensive car, expensive mobile, etc. On the other hand, middle and lower income group spend their most of income to satisfy their basic need. For example, they spend their income on groceries, clothes, etc. Next is occupation. Person will buy according to their profession. For example, shopping of businessman is different from shopping of artist. Last is lifestyle. Our buying decision also influenced by our lifestyle. For example, if you have healthy lifestyle, then you definitely will buy healthy food. Now we will see economic factors which influence consumer behaviors. And economic factors include our personal income, our family income, our credit facilities and our investment like investment in share, mutual fund, etc. So this is all about meaning, importance, scope and factor influencing consumer behavior. I think you got it and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Take care.